On Wednesday, through a party meeting, 52 voters of 13 family left the previous party and joined the BJP party. Mandal President Nirmal Debbarma welcomed the newcomer by handing over the party flag. On that day, present at the meeting were Mandal President Nirmal Debbarma and Mandal Assistant Secretary Ramnath.
Tini jaga Takarjala Bidhan Sabha bisingo kalaijak Jejanogor bisini singsaimano obo Horimangal Para o jaga tini phainai Shokti Kendro Bittik sini Sangotonik boithoni bisingti khlainai tini jaga 13 poribarni ba 52 voter tini jaga mankha onano doliya kare singotini bro katal khala manka nang jotun thainai sing tek thesis kang bisingo brongna jonung nai tek
Kibus kang ni naharmung tam tong nai.
Sini bus kang naharmung ko bono. Jadi bus kang election, zaman BC election jadi kang kas sini Takarjala Bidhan Sabha bising jadi BC tu semua jaga kaham koridor sing khainai, kaham contest khainai sing protected BC sing goilap khainai ni bak sing jidu ni rak nani awon sini sesta tong. Bharat Mata ki jai, Bharat Mata ki jai, BJP jinabad, 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 BJP jinabad, 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 Takarjala Mandal jinabad, 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 Takarjala Mandal jinabad, 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 Sibang Congress yakari final sing khawe kubai lamsago, 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 Tripura mata yakari final sing khawe kubai lamsago, 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 khako purbai lamsago, 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 BJP ni bangrong sing khako purbai lamsago, 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 BJP jinabad, 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 BJP jinabad, 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 Takarjala Mandal jinabad, 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 Bharat Mata ki jai, Bharat Mata ki jai, BJP jinabad, BJP jinabad, Takarjala Mandal jinabad, Takarjala Mandal jinabad, Bharat Mata ki.
Reported by Jivan from Vishalgarh, Chini Khorang.